If you want to achieve a true stereo sound, but without an amplifier, without a streamer, without the cabling mess, then the only option for you is to go for an active speaker set. In an active speaker setup, you have got one speaker which has got a built-in amplifier with all the connections. And from there, you have one cable which goes to the other speaker. And this cable can at times be wireless. The other speaker can be a passive speaker or an active speaker based on the choices, but with no cabling mess, you can still achieve good sound. And in my today's video, I'm going to share with you some of the best active speaker setups that you can buy, and that I'm going to cover across all the different categories. So make sure to watch the video till the end. Let's start with the first category, that is the best hi-fi starter kit category. Now the reason why we call it as the starter kit, well, for most of the times, people who are looking to start their hi-fi journey, they are surrounded by some fancy speakers, amplifiers, and they do not want to spend a very high amount because they don't even know what two-channel music is or how would it really sound, but they don't want to pursue this as a passion. Now, in such cases, this best hi-fi starter kit would be the preferred choice. And the speaker or the speaker system which works in this category is the Elac Adsum speaker. Now, Elac has partnered with Adsum, which is a design company, and they created a very nice aesthetically looking speaker. But it not just looks well, it has got some easy setup hacks, it has got all the possible required connection option, and it is very, very economical to start your hi-fi journey. So if you're looking for good mid-range as well as strong tonality, then the Elac Adsum speakers at a price point of around 65,000 are one of the best speakers to buy today. Next up is the best desktop system. Now this is for a perfect creator category or someone who is looking to enjoy music, some quick binge watching, as well as to play gaming on their desktop computers. Then you need something which is like a near field studio monitor. And the KEF Duos are one of the perfect match for you because they give you the KEF quality of sound but at a cheaper price point. They are great in aesthetics, colors, and everything. So you have got a perfect background, even if you're into creating. You have got a perfect blend to match with your laptops or to your desktop computers. And with regards to sound, I think KEF does a great job. So for a price point of around 45 grams for a pair, the KEF Duos are definitely worth investing in today's time. Now let's talk about the home recording studio setup. Now, these are music producers who are very, very serious about the kind of output that they want from music. And that is where they are looking for a good precision. And that can only come from a brand that really exists and rules the entire music industry. That is the Genelec brand. Now, the Genelec G1s or the G3s are the best partners for your desktop home recording studio setups, where you want to have one of the best sound output without any distortion, and you do not want to compromise on the overall frequency response. So Genelecs are the choices to go for. Now the G1s can start from anywhere around 18,000 rupees for a pair, but the G3s can go all the way up to 2 lakh rupees for a pair. Next up is the best multi-room stereo system category. Now when we talk about multi-room, we have to talk about Sonos because that's the brand which really knows how to perform well in the multi-room segment. And the Sonos Era 300, when you buy them in a pair, and use them as the left and the right channel stereo, well, you have got a nice wide immersive soundstage in your home. These speakers by default are Dolby Atmos or special audio compatible, which makes them great for music listening station. And when you pair it with the Sub Gen 4, you have got a party speaker system in your home with all the possible connectivity options as well as the support for high-res audio. The Sonos Era 300 is a great system to have, starting at 40,000 rupees per speaker, making it 80,000 rupees as a pair price. Now let's look at the most favored category, that is the value for money category. And in this, the KEF LSX II definitely stands out. It is an incredible balance of good looks, good sound, and good control. These speakers are compact yet powerful. They can deliver 200 watts of power output and can go all the way up to 102 dB levels, which is really great from only two tiny speakers. And while doing all of this, they are not losing out on the high resolution output. If you are connecting them with a proper inter-speaker cable, you will get the best of the audio system And if you want to know more about these speakers, don't forget to check our recent video over here. So for a price point of 1.35 lakhs, if you're getting a full streaming stack as well as a wired connectivity options, a provision for subwoofer ports, and an audiophile like tuning, the KEF LSX2s are literally something to run for. Now let's come to the most important category. That is the best stereo system for music. Because after all, music is what we started with, right? That is the whole purpose of a two-channel hi-fi stereo system. So which are the speakers that can literally deliver one of the best music performance? And in that, we had a ton. The first one is the Sonus Faber Duetto speakers. These are the recently launched active speakers by an Italian handcrafted speaker company, Sonus Faber. So they know what they do because they have been making only music focused speakers for a very, very long time. So if you're someone who's looking for a nice warm tonality, but crisp highs, then the Sonus Faber Duettos are definitely worth exploring. You don't need an external subwoofer because the speaker in itself has got a great room in the frequency range. However, they can work great for medium size rooms. What about the large size rooms? For large size rooms, you can explore the likes of the JBL 4305P. Now, these are the speakers which have got bigger profile. They are more dynamic in terms of the sound output, and they can actually give you a great sound even in a big room. Now, both these speakers are definitely premium. For instance, the Sonus Faber Duettos would start from anywhere around 5.5 lakh rupees for a pair, and the JBL 4305 piece can go around 6 lakhs 70,000 rupees for a pair. So that's the approximate price range for these speakers. But if you're someone who is really looking for a high quality music speaker, definitely check them out. The last category is the best ultra premium active speaker system category. Now, by the means of ultra premium, I am just going to tell you the price of it. You can keep guessing. Well, the price is 75 lakh rupees. Okay. The speakers, they are literally known for its design as well as for their sound output. It is one of a Scandinavian brand. And it has got a range or a series of speakers, but the one that I'm talking about is the one which is a little bulky in size, but definitely looks classy in any living room. Now, if you know the answer for it, please put them down in the comment section. And if you want to buy any of these speakers, don't forget to reach out to my team at Tablet. Thank you so much for watching this video. I, Tanmay Mehta, your home theatre consultant or home theatre wale bhaiya, will see you again in the next one. Thank you.